Hey friends, if control panel will not open on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, when we say control panel will not open, we understand that it will not open from Windows search. Okay, I'll search for control panel. Either it doesn't appear or it doesn't open. So I checked for solutions online. I guess the only working solution was an SFC scan, which was approved by a lot of users. We will do that. But before that, we can try using the run window to open the control panel. And this is actually my favorite method. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the word control space panel and hit enter. This will open the control panel window. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. How would you perform a clean boot on your system? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, and then on OK, and finally restart the computer. And lastly, a malware scan will be helpful because a malware could also cause the problem. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to virus and threat protection on the list on the left hand side. Select scan options, select full scan, and then finally click on scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.